So I left her there. I thought about staying. They offered me the chance to lead them, to teach them, to be king.
Uh-huh.
But my place is here, so I swallowed the juice, said the words, and here I am.
Did you say the words right this time?
Same regard.
Well, maybe I didn't say every single
Maybe
tiny
we can
little
cue that
syllable,
stage
no,
one
but
bit.
basically I said them, yeah.
Kevin.
Basically.
You hear it? You hear the window chimney? What a creep.
Ash.
One of these days I am really gonna let you
Voilà,
teach
tu
that
vois,
guy a
on
lesson.
You know that story about how you could have been king?
That's a king.
I think it's kind of cute.
Cortana king.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of it.
Right. You see?
Uh-oh.
Look at you gonna punch it. Nice. Yeah, you like.
Here.
Lady, I'm afraid I'm going to have to ask you to leave the store.
Who the hell are you?
Name's Ash.
Leo! Don't lose this! Princess!
I killed it for you today.
Get down! Ready, ready, go! Damn it!
Okay.
Swallow your soul!
Go and get some!
You think?
I warn you!
Yes!
Sure, I could have stayed in the past.
Aaron Black came, and ladies and gentlemen,
Could have even been king. But in my own way, I am king.
It's my mom, Sandra.
Kiss her!
Hail to the king, baby.
Margaret.
Aww.
You're welcome.